Traders, welcome back to another Relentless recap. If you're tuning in for the first time, be sure to consider subscribing as you watch throughout the video. If you are a returning subscriber, consider hitting that thumbs up as you watch. All right, guys, small caps are dead right now. All the algos, all the high frequency traders, everybody has moved out their money over to crypto, gold, silver, and other commodities, right? Even large caps. And so the small cap market has left, hanging in this banking situation as people are looking for more, let's say, if we dare use the word, safe investments, right? Longer term. So, it might be a few more weeks before small caps become very active, but luckily we did have the banking stocks provide opportunity, right? Today is a flat day for me, but I want to talk here quickly as we're going to remove Bloomberg. I want to talk about FRC before we jump into the recap. And, when I left out today, right, I was around till about 12. I saw this one getting halted down. And I'm like, oh, man, it's not a good day. And I come back over here around 12:40. I see some of the guys hanging out in Discord. I just jump in there to listen in. And it brings me back to my computer. I'm like, man, I come and I essentially missed this move. But this was great, man. And this is exactly what we look for. FRC goes from a low of 11.52 to a high of 17. Guys, that's exactly what we want to see, about a $7 a share move. There is the volatility that we talk about, that we love so much. And especially coming out of the first halt, I wasn't there for the price action, but when we look and we see this bottoming wick, it makes me think we had that dip and then the rip. And you guys know how much I love that setup. So a little disappointing that we didn't get to capture this move. But yeah, small caps, when will we see the volatility come back? Of course, the Fed meeting is starting tomorrow, and we'll have a rate hike decision on Wednesday. So we'll see how it goes. I think they'll continue to raise the rates because, why show weakness at this point? It doesn't make any sense. If they don't raise rates, inflation will continue to be high anyway. So they have to continue doing what they're doing and just be firm. So moving into what I did on the day, scratch day for me, I think we're just up, $5, literally, which is, enough for a candy bar these days. So not anything crazy today. If we look over here by the P&L by day, we can see LFCR, AMBI, and NYCB, right? NYCB, we can quickly touch on here. Okay, so I have the live archive pulled up. NYCB, here we go. Let's take a quick look. So I'm watching at it for a potential double bottom. It comes down there to a low of around 890. I'm in at 96, and I'm watching for a potential break of 9. We're at 899. I want to see some better volume. I don't add immediately. My ad came very late right here, and then we ended up curling up. All right, so I sold 2 positions here to be safe, to unwind, just to be safe. I'm still holding 1300, average of 03, and we're gonna get the move up here to 11, 12, 15, 17. So I botched this trade here, guys. This is essentially a breakdown and reclaim, double bottom kind of an entry. I should have added sooner at 99 to let's say 402. I hesitated there. And right up here at the top, we're going to sell the last position around 14.15, and we're going to walk out of the trade. We even added back there for a little bit. We're going to walk out of the trade losing on the second half as we come down. So we were green unrealized 130 and ended up walking away with only $40 in that trade. Moving on, we had other stocks such as AMBI, which I did trade well, but unfortunately, I sold one of my positions too soon here. I'm watching for the lows. I'm trying to be in low, trying to sell high. Initially right here, I get a little bit of chop. I'm out a little too soon. So I'm in at 14.10, out at 97. Not quite the best trade. I'm back in at 13. I'm out at 30. I'm out at 59. Actually, no, this is from a higher add back. I add back higher, out at 59. Not great there. So the trade that I'm looking at now, once it comes back down and holds its lows, right? If we zoom out here, you guys will see we're kind of just holding this range, right? I'm in, and I missed the dip really. I'm in a little higher. I needed to be in here around 1370, but it was definitely difficult to determine the entry with this light volume. But anyhow, so I'm in at 1405. I sold 50 shares at 28. I'm waiting to sell the rest, and we do get a high 38, but it pulls back down here, and then it goes without me. So I'm in for about 2-3 minutes here. I unfortunately missed the bigger move, and I felt it coming, but I'm like, you know what? I can't hold against it. This thing had crazy spreads of 40 cents, 50 cents at times. So we definitely didn't want to, expose ourselves too much. But yeah, that's how the day went. Slow day today. Again, small caps kind of dead, and we did miss that huge move on FRC. All right, let's talk a little bit about TraderView. All right, this is how we're looking on the month. So, we got a few red days, then a few more red days than we would like, especially last week. I felt like Tuesday and Wednesday were very close, but we ended up finishing up on the wrong side of the momentum. But, that's how it goes. You don't catch them all, and sometimes you just end up on the wrong side of the wheel. All right, so, tomorrow we'll come in again. We'll be patient, and we need to connect them to trades, right? Missing FRC and watching that first trade we went over in the archive, definitely that alone is gonna reduce our chances of a big green day. So yeah, tomorrow we have to do a little bit of a better job connecting and executing. So 9 days left in the month. There's still enough time to really get it going. Currently we are at, for March, we are at a 2K month, which is not so great. So we have to get it going, and we're looking forward to seeing some better action as we go forward here on the month. All right, so that'll do it for the recap. For those of you who are interested in learning something more, something extra, be sure to check out the Merciless Markets University. All right, MMU. Be sure to check out MMU, which is a day trading course that I have. And for those of you who are already members, right, once you jump in there, and you don't really have to be a member either to see the curriculum, but yeah, you guys can come on, check it out, and go through the chapters. And if it's something that you like and you want to learn this type of scalping, be sure to do so. All right, check out MMU, and of course you can use code MADNESS in honor of March Madness, which is in full swing right now, for 40% off. Be sure to check out our Discord, as well as Momo Pro. And you can see here in our Discord, we have a few memes. Another bank is collapsing. Oh my. Yeah, check out our Discord, which, to this point, it's 5 p.m. We're still pretty active in here. Juan is in the building. Crispy's in the building, Stark Live, and a few other people. So yeah, and also check out Momo Pro, which is the scanning software that I use. If you guys are interested in this, you can use code Relentless for 25% off for 6 months. All right, guys, it's been RT, and I am, of course, signing out.